Here, our first two limits are approaching negative infinity and positive infinity, and we're approaching a y value of 5. So as we go in both those directions, we have a horizontal asymptote of y equals 5. Then we're taking the limit as x approaches 0 from the left and right. One is infinity, one is negative infinity, so this is going to give us a vertical asymptote at x equals 0. And then our last one, as x approaches 3 from the left and the right, we have limits of negative infinity and positive infinity. We have another vertical asymptote at x equals 3. So the ones we want to look at to get our shapes are the one-sided limits. So let's start off over here. The limit as x approaches 0 from the left. So as we're coming from this direction, we need to figure out, are we going up towards infinity, that would put us up here, or are we going down towards negative infinity, that would put us in the lower section. So here we're approaching positive infinity. So we're going to go up like this. And I'm actually going to skip to the last one over here and do this right side, because the middle is a little different from the other ones that we saw. But here, as x approaches 3 from the right, we're approaching positive infinity. So from the right side, as we get closer and closer to 3, it's going up. So our graph is going to be up in this portion of the asymptotes. And then in between, we need to figure out what's going on in between. We could have something that goes like this. We could have something that looks kind of like an upside down parabola or a regular parabola. So we want to look at each portion. So limit as x approaches 0 from the right is going towards negative infinity. So we know this is going to be going down over here. We need to figure out what's going on the other side, if it's going up or down. Well, as x approaches 3 from the left, we're approaching negative infinity. So this one is going down as well. And again, we're just doing a potential graph. We can kind of bring this up to that asymptote. Almost looks like an upside down parabola. But that's it for this one.